Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to discuss the components of reading, which is handout 6. And हमने ये चीज़ें और इन चीज़ों की थोड़ी सी पहले भी बात की हुई है कि जो essential components of reading होते हैं, they are fluency, vocabulary, phonemic awareness, phonics, and इस सब के इर्द गिर्द और इन सब से मिलकर एक स्टूडेंट की रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन डेवलप होती है. ठीक है? So we are going to just briefly first read what they are, and then we are going to discuss them in detail in later handouts. So phonemic awareness, phonemes, the smallest units make up spoken language combined to form syllabus and words. ठीक है? Phonemic awareness refers to the student's ability to focus on and manipulate these phonemes in spoken syllables and words. तो phonemes क्या हैं? Smallest units making up spoken language, या आप ये भी कह सकते हैं smallest units of sound. ठीक है? Which combine to form syllables and words. A phonemic awareness refers to the student's ability to focus on and manipulate these phonemes in spoken syllables and words. किस तरह से दो sounds जो individual units of sounds को जोड़ना है और कौन सी sound बनानी है, किस तरह से identify करना है कि शुरू में कौन सा phoneme आ रहा है कि बाद में कौन सा phoneme आ रहा है. This is all awareness about phonemes, so उसको phonemic awareness कहते हैं. According to the National Reading Panel, teaching phonemic awareness to children significantly improves their reading more than instruction that lacks any attention to phonemic awareness. So if you don't pay attention to phonemic awareness, आपकी reading skills उतनी develop नहीं होंगी. If you pay attention, then it significantly improves the reading skills. So what are phonics? Phonics is the relationship between the letter or letter combination in written language, जो paper पे symbol लिखा होता है letter का वो, and the individual sounds in spoken language, और उसकी जो बोली जाने वाली साउंड होती है उसका लिंक बच्चों को बता देना. फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर ए लिखा होगा तो दे रिकॉग्नाइज द सिंबल फॉर द अल्फाबेट फॉर द लेटर ए, एंड उसके बाद ए की साउंड कैसे यहाँ पे किसी वर्ड में बुलानी, अ साउंड है, बी की ब साउंड है, सी की क साउंड है, ये कब बुलाना है. तो दीज आर the relationship between the symbol, the letter, which is written, and the sound, which is spoken. Phonic instruction teaches students how to use these relationships to read and spell words. The National Reading Panel indicated that systematic phonics instruction enhances children's success in learning to read and is significantly more effective than instruction that teaches little or no phonics. So phonics is important too. ये हमें समझ आ गई. Fluency क्या है? Fluent readers are able to read orally with appropriate speed, accuracy and proper expression. इस तरह से पढ़ना जिस तरह से पढ़ने की जरूरत है. If you're reading a dialogue, उसमें आप थोड़ी सी intonation और थोड़े से expression शामिल करेंगे. If you're doing a speech or reading out something which is expository in nature, उसकी reading एक बिल्कुल flat narrative form में होगी. That is something different. उसकी delivery different होगी. According to the listeners, आप अपनी speed को vary करेंगे. जो आपने बोलना है वो आप कितना accurately बोलते हैं, ये भी fluency का part है. Fluency is the ability to read as well as we speak and to make sense of the text without having to stop and decode each word. So if you understand each word individually and you are decoding them automatically, the fluency में आपकी comprehension develop होगी. Otherwise, what you'll do is when you're reading aloud, you won't understand, and then for understanding आप silent reading करेंगे और फिर text को समझेंगे और फिर आप उसकी reading करेंगे. तो this means कि अभी आपकी fluency पूरी तरह develop नहीं हुई. Research findings concluded that guided oral reading and repeated oral reading had a significant and positive impact on word recognition, reading fluency and comprehension in students of all ages. So what you have to do is guided oral reading, repeated oral reading. इससे क्या होगा? Positive impact होगा, word recognition automatic होती जाएगी, fluency बढ़ती जाएगी, comprehension develop होती जाएगी. Then what is vocabulary? And why is it important? Vocabulary development is closely connected to comprehension. When you recognize the words which are written, when you recognize their meanings और vocabulary आपको पता होगी, तभी आप text का sense बना सकेंगे कि what is meant. The larger the reader's vocabulary, either oral or print, the easier it is to make sense of the text. According to the National Reading Panel, vocabulary can be learned incidentally through a storybook reading or listening to others, and vocabulary should be taught both directly and indirectly. Students should be actively engaged in instruction that includes learning words before reading, repetition, multiple exposures, learning in rich contexts, incidental learning, and use of computer technology. So how do you enhance vocabulary? Through repetition, मल्टीपल एक्सपोजर, एक वर्ड के मुख्तलिफ यूजेजेस, मुख्तलिफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इसका इस्तेमाल. लर्निंग इन रिच कॉन्टेक्स्ट, रिच से मुराद की वोकेबलरी उसकी रिच हो, बहुत से डिफरेंट एक्सप्रेशंस इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं, बहुत सी डिफरेंट तरह की आपको जो है वर्ड यूजेज और डिफरेंट सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स जो हैं उससे एक्सपोजर मिल रहा हो. इंसिडेंटल लर्निंग के जहाँ कहीं बाय चांस भी लर्निंग हो रही है, वहाँ पे उस लर्निंग को एकदम ग्रास्प करके वहाँ से लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज निकाल ली जाएं. एंड यूज ऑफ कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी आइदर फॉर इंडिविजुअल लर्निंग और फॉर ग्रुप लर्निंग. Then comprehension is the complex cognitive process readers use to understand what they have read. Vocabulary development and instruction play a critical role in comprehension, and the National Reading Panel determined that young readers develop a text comprehension through a variety of techniques, including answering questions, quizzes, and summarization, which is retelling the story. So in order to check students' comprehension, these are the kind of activities a teacher must do to fully understand if they have grasped the concepts within the text or they have followed the story in the correct manner. So these are the basic reading components which we will discuss in detail in the later handouts. So any questions we can discuss in our face-to-face meetings.